note of the unfortunate and reckless utterances made by Majimbo Kalasinga, MP Kabuchai, against Speaker Moses Masika Wetangula, the Speaker of the National Assembly and the party leader of Ford Kenya. It is both shameful and ungrateful for Majimbo to attack the very leader who stood by him, campaigned for him, and paved the way for his political rise. Yes. Let us not forget that without the unwavering support and guidance of Hon Wetangula, Majimbo will not be occupying the seat he arrogantly uses today to insult his mentor. Yes. Speaker Wetangula is a statesman of unmatched experience and stature, a man who has fought tirelessly for democracy, justice, and the empowerment of our people. Yes. His track record speaks louder than the empty noise of political opportunists seeking cheap attention. We remind those who have chosen the path of betrayal that biting the hand that fed you is not bravery, it is a moral bankruptcy. Leadership demands humility and gratitude, not arrogance and disrespect. As loyal members and supporters of Ford Kenya, we stand firmly behind our party leader and speaker. We will not sit back and watch while political juveniles attempt to tarnish the name of a national icon who continues to lift others as he serves a nation at the highest levels of leadership. Retired Honorable Moses Wetangula remains our pillar, our guide, our symbol of steadfast leadership. His legacy is secure and no amount of noise can shake his foundation. In the forthcoming Kabuchai Junior Ward by-election, Ford Kenya has a candidate by the name Vincent Wekesa Mauna, our own, duly nominated and fully supported. We therefore advise those attempting to sponsor parallel candidates to come out clean and face the people directly instead of hiding behind divisive rhetoric politics on social media. Kujeni ground. Any politician who is not a voter in the ward will not be given a podium of abuse to Speaker Moses Masika Wetangula. Moses Masika Wetangula, Papa wa Roma, must be respected. The people of Kabuchai and Bungoma County know where they stand. With the party of integrity, unity, and proven leadership for Kenya, we remain focused, disciplined, and ready to defend our mandate at the ballot. For Kenya ni chama cha heshima, nidhamu na utu, na hatutaruhusu majina makubwa ya taifa kama Mheshimiwa Spika kutukanwa na wanafunzi wa kisiasa. Tupatane Chwele Kabuchai, tubainishe mbivu na mbichi. Asanteni.